we finally have a Capriati's in Connecticut, so I had to give it a try since Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Oh no. Ooh. I always do this to myself. Alright. Hold on. Making a mess. And my ring's like falling off. Alright, sorry y'all, I made a mess opening it, but this is what it looks like. It has cranberry, turkey, stuffing, all that good stuff. But Capriati's, to me, is the well-known one for like the Bobbie or whatever. So, let's give it a try. Oh. That's good. They do it right. Like, they do it so good. The stuffing. Capriati's. Give me 14 of them. Right now. And I got the medium. Definitely get a medium. Not making as much of a mess as I thought it would. But the sandwich is so good. Seriously, if you have a Capriati's, go get it. I'm just like staring at it with love. What I love about Capriati's is like the meat is like shaped. Wow. I haven't had this sandwich in like 2 years and it hits so hard. I love their stuffing. Make sure you get it hot. Make sure you guys get this hot. It's better hot. Mine is hot. It's warm now because I drove like an hour and 10 minutes. Button. They do have gravy that comes with it, but my location apparently don't have any more gravy. But you can always use a can of gravy at home. I don't know, man. The sandwiches are so good. I'm gonna go finish the rest of this and be the big bag that I am. But Capriati's 10 out of 10. This is the only sandwich I'll get from you guys. Like, you never discontinue it. And the thing about them, they have the sandwich year-round, so you can get it anytime you want to. And it's so good. So good. So I'm going to go finish the rest of this. But y'all, go check out Capriati's if you haven't, because they are the superior to the Thanksgiving sub.